Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager on Windows 10 and 11. So if Bluetooth is not showing in Device Manager on Windows 10 or 11, or if the Bluetooth on off button is missing, you can try the following solutions to resolve it. First, you can restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve Bluetooth related issues as well. So simply what you have to do is go on the bottom right over here, this icon, the Windows icon, click on that option, and just beside this option that this icon will be shown, and select that and click on the restart option in order to restart your computer. Or you can also enable Bluetooth in settings. What you have to do is go to the settings. From the search, look out for the settings, go over there. And on the left hand side, we could see the Bluetooth and devices right over here. Click on that option and simply toggle off this off option just like this. Or you could also check if your setting is in airplane mode. What you have to do is go on the Wi-Fi option, which is on the bottom right over here. Select that and simply turn off the airplane mode if it's turned on. And ensure that airplane mode is turned off, as it can disable Bluetooth. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.